How to use YouTrip Overseas. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can use YouTrip Overseas if you're anywhere aside from Singapore. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To use YouTrip Overseas, right? If you have the YouTrip app which you want to use overseas, you can either use the physical card at Mastercard acceptance if you want to, or you can use the points or the virtual card for online purchases. You can top up your YouTrip account with a Singapore credit or debit card and make purchases in over 150 currencies worldwide at competitive wholesale exchange rates with no transaction fees. YouTrip also allows you to exchange currencies within the app to lock in favorable rates. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically use YouTrip Overseas. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.